Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you unable to update QuickBooks Desktop because of QuickBooks Error 15203? This update error can prevent you from downloading the latest QuickBooks or payroll updates, affecting your software's performance and security. The good news is that this issue is usually fixable with the right troubleshooting steps. In today's video, I'll explain what QuickBooks Error 15203 means, why it occurs, and walk you through the most effective solutions to resolve it. So, let's get started. QuickBooks Error 15203 is an update-related error that usually appears when QuickBooks Desktop cannot successfully download or install software or payroll updates. In many cases, the problem is linked to Windows permissions, damaged QuickBooks components, outdated security certificates, internet configuration issues, or security software blocking the update process. If you encounter this error, don't panic. We'll begin with the simplest fixes and gradually move toward more advanced troubleshooting methods. The first solution is to run QuickBooks as an administrator. Close QuickBooks completely, then right-click the QuickBooks Desktop icon and select Run as Administrator. When Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once QuickBooks opens, try downloading the update again. Administrator privileges often resolve permission-related update failures. If the error continues, use Quick Fix My Program from QuickBooks Tool Hub. Download the latest version of QuickBooks Tool Hub from Intuit's official website if it isn't already installed. Open Tool Hub, select Program Problems, and click Quick Fix My Program. This tool automatically closes background QuickBooks processes and repairs common program issues. After the repair finishes, reopen QuickBooks and check for updates again. If that doesn't work, reset the QuickBooks Update components. Close QuickBooks and navigate to the Components folder inside your QuickBooks installation directory. Delete the Components folder, reopen QuickBooks, go to Help, then Update QuickBooks Desktop, select Update Now, check Reset Update, and click Get Updates. This forces QuickBooks to download a fresh copy of the update files. Another common cause is an invalid or outdated digital signature certificate. Open the QuickBooks installation folder, locate the qbw32.exe file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Open the Digital Signatures tab, select the Intuit certificate, click Details, then View Certificate, and install the certificate if necessary. Restart your computer afterward and try the update again. If installation files are damaged, open QuickBooks Tool Hub once again and select Installation Issues. Run the QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool and allow it to scan your system. The process may take up to 20 minutes because it checks Microsoft components such as the .NET Framework, MSXML, and Visual C++ libraries that QuickBooks depends on. If the issue still persists, consider reinstalling QuickBooks Desktop. First, uninstall QuickBooks through Programs and Features in the Control panel. Then download the latest version using your product and license information and perform a fresh installation. A clean installation replaces damaged program files without affecting your company data. You should also make sure Windows is fully updated. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Installing the latest Windows updates also refreshes Microsoft security certificates, which QuickBooks uses to verify downloaded update files. Another important step is reviewing your internet settings. Open Internet Options, add Intuit websites to the Trusted Sites list, enable TLS 1.2, verify ActiveX settings, accept cookies, and disable the option Do Not Save Encrypted Pages to Disk. Since QuickBooks relies on Windows Internet settings, incorrect configurations can easily interrupt updates. If third-party applications are interfering with QuickBooks, switch Windows to Selective Startup mode using msconfig. Restart your computer with only essential Microsoft services running, then try downloading the QuickBooks update again. This helps identify conflicts caused by antivirus software or background applications. Another useful repair is running the reboot.bat file. Open the QuickBooks installation folder, locate reboot.bat, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. This utility re-registers important QuickBooks components and often resolves update-related problems. If Windows system files are corrupted, run the System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and execute the sfc/scanno command. Windows will scan protected system files and automatically replace damaged ones. Finally, if nothing else works, temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall or your antivirus software while downloading the QuickBooks update. Sometimes security applications mistakenly block QuickBooks from connecting to Intuit's update servers. Once the update completes successfully, remember to enable your security software again to keep your computer protected. By following these troubleshooting steps in order, most users can successfully resolve QuickBooks Error 15203 and install the latest QuickBooks and Payroll updates without further issues.